I would really love to be a minimalist, but I don't think I am. Maximalist. So let's start with the basic. This is my everyday pouch. Sometimes I can like carry around a lot of things, and so this is actually really helpful. Inside I have, this is a really good blotting paper, I think you call it, and it's powdered. So like when I'm about to go out and there are gonna be like 100 people taking pictures of me, it really helps to, you know, absorb all the oil, because there are some that don't have the powder in it and they don't work as well. So this is really good. Floss. Oral-B. I have this tiny mirror with me, and it's really good because one side is a bit more magnified than the other. Sometimes we need to like, it's really good. So it's perfect, and it looks kind of really cool.